Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today we're going to be looking at day 10 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay then, so here's the little drawer for number 10 on the Birchbox Advent Calendar, and inside this box we have a Tangle Teezer. I was so excited to get this one. I just absolutely love the bright colours. I think they're absolutely fab. So it's got a little kind of case, I guess you'd call it, or protector, that's probably a better word. And obviously that will keep it safe if it's going in a bag or if it's travelling or whatever. And like I said, I absolutely love these colours. There's not an awful lot I can say about a hairbrush. Tangle Teezers are meant to detangle really well. I did actually mention on my previous video that I had a Tangle Teezer. I was lying. I have a brush that's called the Detangler, pretty similar vein, but I think this is the original kind of detangler brush. Anyway, I've managed to find this online and this retails at £12.50. So a nice little price for today's item. Like I said, there's not really an awful lot I can talk about a hairbrush. I can show you it running through my hair. I haven't brushed it since I've been out this morning and it's a little windy out there. Oh, yeah, it seems to be getting through those tangles quite well. Yeah, I can feel it getting through. I should start at the bottom really, shouldn't I? So anyway, a really nice product, nice brush, a good reliable brand, and a fantastic like bright colour design. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be taking this away on holiday with me because I think it's going to be perfect for like hotter weather and things, those bright summery colours. Okay then guys, so that's it really for today. Not an awful lot to say. Like I say, it's just a hairbrush. It's a fantastic hairbrush and it's a beautiful colour. End of really. So if you've liked the video, please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe because there's an Advent unboxing every day running up to Christmas. And obviously lots of other videos in there too, so it'd be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video, I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.